Good morning. This is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. Today is January 28th, and in this short piece, I'm going to talk about, let's say, stocks that are exhibiting strength while the market is showing weakness or extreme choppiness. First of all, before I start, all of this is educational only. There's no stock recommendations whatsoever. It's really just trying to educate you in order to help you to become a better trader, a better investor, and that's what we do at Trend Following Mentor. So let's jump over to, okay. First of all, you always look, or at least what I do is I always look, where am I in the market? And I have this indicator, which you can see kind of right here. Oops. Just call it Andrew Abraham Buy. And when the market is healthy, you want to stay in it. When it's not, which it isn't here, it's really tough. And it's very choppy, as you can see. And you can also see I have these indicators in Metastock. And if you're a Metastock user, I can send you this Andrew Abraham Buy. It's very simple, but it really simple works and holds up over time, or gives the propensity to hold up. But you'll never avoid losses like this, whipsaws like this. But you can add in your own rules. And yesterday was a really ugly day. This has been an ugly period from all of here. And you also had a clustering of distribution days. And you can see that when the market takes out the 50-day period exponential moving average and then falls below it, it's really negative. And it's the same thing if it's shares. And as I said before, it's a very difficult market. But with that said, when you want to become or try to become a successful stock picker, what you want to do is you want to buy the strongest stocks in the strongest sectors when the market's healthy. Well, as you can see, the market isn't overly healthy. So what I'm doing, and it's a personal decision, and that's what all this really becomes, is none of this is recommendation. You have to trade your own risk profile and your own, let's say, preference of risk and how you approach it. But I'm very lightly invested in the strongest stocks. And what's interesting is, one of the stocks that I'm in here, actually, interesting enough, had an okay day yesterday, which is pretty surprising considering how rough the market has been. Hopefully this will open up. Okay. And I'm going to show you something even more interesting. I bought the breakout here and then exited because it didn't work. And then I bought it back again. This is what successful trading is. And the whole point why this stock, and again, I'm not recommending this stock. What I do is I rank the stocks by the strongest stocks in the strongest sectors, and this was one of them. And it just so happens to be ILMN. Not that I'm recommending it, and I don't suggest you go out and buy it. Do your own due diligence. But let me find the, one second, bear with me. Here. What's interesting about this ILMN, which you can notice, and I printed for myself, is the earnings. They are increasing dramatically, 15%, 33%, 71%, 93%. They're making money. So if they're making money and they're in the strongest sectors and it's breaking out, I'm willing to take that bet. And that's really what this is. It's accepting the risk. And exactly, if I'm going back before I even talked about this, if I'm looking at the market itself, the market is not looking all that healthy. It's in a very unknown period. We're in a choppy period. I mean, we have support here. Here's resistance. We've had, really ugly news popping out yesterday. But even with that said, this is a breakout. And what exemplifies it even more is that the market was so bad yesterday, and this stock showed such strength. I mean, that's what you really want to see. You want to see strength in adverse situations. And two things are going to happen. And there's only two. Basically, the stock can turn around and it can end up being a loss very easily. Or the market can, let's say, turn around, hit support here because there is support. You can see here, 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 and bounce up and take off. We don't know. And you can't know. And you don't listen to CNBC where they tell you stuff. You have to be able to accept the risk of a trade not working. But you want to put the odds in your favor. And the odds in your favor is you look for companies that are showing tremendous profits. That you basically, and you look for sectors that you understand. And let's say, again, if it's cybersecurity, all you have to do is open the newspaper and, I mean, one company after the next is being hacked. If it's Sony, if it's Target, I mean, I was in another share. And this is what it's about, is thinking and having a trading plan. And what I do at Trend Following Mentor is I help you. I have a book, The Bible of Trend Following. You can pick it up on Amazon. It tells you exactly how I do it. And it categorizes how I do it. I have another book called The Bible of Compounding Money. I also offer hourly consulting, personal, one-on-one, trying to help you make a trading plan. Because if you don't have a trading plan, you should not be trading. It's not that you just go buy and you be at the whim of the market. You got to know what to buy. You want to buy the strongest stocks. Or maybe that's not for you. You just want to know when to be in the market, which I can teach you. And then also I have on-site visits. I also have a course that's $99. But don't expect to become a proficient trader over time. I mean, over the weekend. It's all commitment. It's taken me years and years and years. And it's not easy. It's very tough. And you know what? This toughness is exemplified right here. If I can help you in any way, feel free to contact me. Email me. It's the best. I mean, calling me, it's like kind of tough because I'm on the phone doing mentoring sessions or talking to colleagues. The best is to email me, set up a time, see if I can help you, and if we both decide if we can help each other, if I can help your trading. Again, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor, and if I can help you anyway, just let me know. Thank you.